Hello. I was working on this PDF is blank, and the everything is working fine in the Visual Force phase, but not in Lightning component. And this class process signature services. This is the class that process the signature, and it is called from the Lightning components controller, which is aura enable method, and this method actually called the process signature services. Similarly, the other class which is used on Visual Force page, it's called signature controller. This controller also call the same class, same method. So there is no change in the code other than that. In case of lightning component, it is called from aura enable, and I checked that there is no error at all in this class while this is running. So I checked the debug and there is no error, but the get content as pdf method of page reference class does not return anything but a blank blob value, that means a blank pdf. So there is something in the setup. I think there is something wrong in the setup in this, or uh, any version thing or something. But I'm looking into it. When we enable the synchronous setting, like if I go and show you from the setting here, this one process signature in page. So that means when it is lightning component, after signing a big process, that means we call this class right away in the controller, so that it process on the page. And the second thing is, when we disable this, we uncheck this one and enable, which is already enabled process signature in batch mode. This is called from trigger. So because why we call the batch from trigger, because get content as pdf cannot be used in trigger. That means we cannot get the pdf from visual force page in pdf, so we actually use batch. And same way we use it on the page, right? So now tested uh, on the page setting like this one. In this case, it will try to generate the pdf right away, like on the page. So let me open the debug and check. Already tested everything. I just want to show you how and in what case it is working, and in what case not. So we already know that it's not working in visual force page. It's working in visual force page, sorry, and it's not working in lightning component. And I am looking for a solution or a reason at least why it is happening, but I want to show you what is happening. So let me show you first the version where we are getting the issue. Okay, and I've made a small change, like the only change, like pdf template is now signature pdf for just for testing. Okay, and let me test the, yeah, sign sud, clear the logs. Okay, so I will name it as a one. I have deleted all the signatures that I have created. I did not delete anything, any PDF which is attached on this account. I just deleted that, and now I just sign this one. So we should check the debug. Okay, so there must be a record. So it's 24. I tested 5-6 times, and I just put this field here for now. You see this is log, and this is showing that this is the URL used to get the PDF. This is actually our page URL, right? And I will look into the code and I will show that everything is working as yeah. So the PDF is blank, so the issue is right there. Okay, now let's go back and see the PDF. So one thing I notice is when you see that this is embedded screen, this is coming from this page which is right here embedded, but same way it should have another debug for the page, for this page, like apex signature, something like this should be there. Because our class tried to call that page for PDF, but there is no debug for that. So that is strange why Salesforce is not calling that page, although our code is calling, but I think somehow it just skip that part, like it just give us a blank PDF and does not call the the Visualforce page to get the PDF. So that's strange. What I'm saying is that Salesforce just somehow skip that part of generating the PDF and just replace it with a blank value. So you see here at 792 we are in PDF section, and you see here in 9796 log is generated with this code, and we get the PDF here. We got the PDF, and at 827 line number 827 it says ATT body. That means the body we got is 789 bytes. So it's saying that at 827 we got a blob of 789 bytes. So what is at line 827? Let me show you in our code. I'm the same version that is installed. So here you see, if test is not, this is not a test. In case of test we just create a dummy blob, but if this is a test, so it just get us it just give us the content of the PDF. Which PDF? The page reference we use here, like apex slash the page name. So this is actually we find this one in our blog, in our verification, sorry, in our this processing log. Here you see, so this is from there. So that means we have here the page is here. You see, this is at line 11, line 796. We put the same thing here in the log, and then with the page name we try to create the PDF here. Okay, sorry. So here just like we have did a condition, like if this is test dot is running test, then it will just go to the else case and give us a dummy blob. But if this is a real processing, then it will get the content. Somehow Salesforce is giving us blank at this line, and the debug will show us that this is trying to get the page reference, but this is giving us a blank value. Like here you see at 18 we created a page reference which is apex slash this one. Okay, but it's giving us a blank PDF. But if we go and change some setting, like let me show you a little bit, change an alternative or second way, the way we use processing. So this was a synchronous processing, and so there is another way we use to process our signature. So here this is the process signature in synchronous mode, and if this is not checked, then we switch to process signature in batch mode, which is called from trigger. So the difference between both is that this class, process signature services, will not be called from the controller, but it will be called from the trigger. When the signature record is created, the signature record will call the batch class, and batch class will call this class. So technically at the end this class will be called, but in a batch mode, like in asynchronous mode, not in the controllers mode. But the problem is not about synchronous and asynchronous, because this works in classic and not in lightning. That means the problem is technically in the aura enable method, which work in our debug but not working in this production org. So you see this method is called here in the execute to process. This is the batch, and if we enable the batch, we don't have to do anything. Just come here and just disable the process signature in page. I'm just doing this testing and showing how it will work. So let me retest, just related everything. Yeah. Okay, so let's test it and see the reason. I just find out the reason, that is everything is working as usual, or as everything is working fine. uh, so let me just sign this one. Okay. Okay, so I just signed the signature, but this time the signature will be processed using batch. So I will go through the debugs, but before that, the log is same as before, but this time I want to show you the PDF generated. So yeah, the PDF is the same as we expected. And let me show you. Yeah, so this time you see there is a record that is created for the signature PDF record, and these one of them must be the processing class, the execute, not this one. Yeah, so this one. So this is the same class. This is the process signature class. Obviously it is called from execute method of the batch, so nothing is changed. And we will find out. Okay, so we are in previous section, and the same line 824, and at 820 you see at 827, line number 827, this time we get 446 bytes. In when we are using the synchronous mode, we got 789 bytes, which is technically a blank PDF, and this time we get 8 10 446 bytes. So if somehow we missed passing the ID, still we should get a PDF which have at least the labels or something like that. But it return a blank PDF. So what I think is that this at line 827, it return us blank, like this get content as PDF does not work when we call the processing from or enabled method. And technically there is a lot of like limitations on get content as PDF. First, it cannot be used in trigger. It cannot be used in the test method because technically it call API, Salesforce API. So that means we cannot use it in a test. And this was the reason we were using either batch or using the controller on the page to process the signature. But this time I'm not sure why it is happening, but you can see that this is working fine with our batch processing. And we got the content which is 1046, and I looked on both the debugs, and I did not got any difference other than this line 827 where we get the PDF. So I will keep researching or looking why when we call our page reference get a content as PDF from an aura enable method, it's returning as a blank PDF. And this is happening only when we are calling an a page which is created in this org, not our package org. So one, this is also weird. So I will let you know what I find it, but and I will revert back the setting to what it was before. I just did this. Okay, and I will delete this uh, okay. So okay, I will do that. Thank you.